With biopharma under pressurizing R&D costs, regulatory hurdles, and funding constraints, the traditional bench-to-bedside innovation cycle is shifting. The result? A clinical R&D seesaw effect where industry tightens its belt, but hospitals stand at the perfect intersection of clinical data, translational research, and patient access to pick up the slack. So the question is, are hospitals ready to take on this mantle? Are they prepared to lead the charge in developing the next generation of medical breakthroughs? This is a pivotal moment. As NIH funding cuts loom and the industry rethinks its R&D strategies, hospitals have an unprecedented opportunity to step in and fill the void. But it won't be easy. Hospitals need to navigate a complex web of challenges, from diversifying their funding streams to monetizing their vast troves of data and IP, expanding their clinical trial capabilities, and enhancing operational efficiency. And that's just the start. So what are some key strategies hospitals can deploy to not only survive, but thrive in this evolving landscape? First and foremost, diversification is key. The old model of relying solely on government grants and health insurance reimbursements simply won't cut it anymore. Hospitals need to forge new partnerships, co-developing cutting-edge research with biotech and pharma companies, and seeking out alternative funding sources, including angel investors and venture capitalists. Next, hospitals must monetize their data and IP assets. Leveraging AI-driven analytics and other advanced technologies can unlock the value of vast amounts of clinical data, generating revenue through data licensing and opening up new avenues for research and development. Similarly, hospitals should look to commercialize technologies developed within their own facilities, generating revenue through patents and royalties. Another crucial strategy is to expand clinical trial operations. With the industry moving towards decentralized trials, hospitals can scale their DCT capabilities, attracting more research dollars from biopharma companies. By becoming hubs for clinical research, hospitals can not only generate new revenue streams, but also gain valuable insights into the latest treatment protocols and therapies. Furthermore, hospitals can enhance their operational efficiency, optimizing reimbursement models, leveraging automation, and streamlining administrative processes. These efforts will not only help them navigate the financial challenges of the current climate, but also position them as attractive partners for industry. Finally, engaging in policy and advocacy is essential. By working with industry groups and government agencies to explore alternative funding sources such as BARDA, DARPA, and ARPA-H, hospitals can secure the financial backing necessary to drive innovation and keep the research dollars flowing. In conclusion, while the future of biopharma R&D may be uncertain, one thing is clear: hospitals have the infrastructure, patient base, and clinical expertise to become the next wave of medical breakthroughs. However, they must be willing to adapt, innovate, and take risks. As NIH funding cuts and industry realignments create new challenges, hospitals have an unprecedented opportunity to step up and own their role in the future of biotech innovation. What are your thoughts? How can hospitals better position themselves as innovation leaders? Let's discuss it.